Content, and this week in CCTV News, Blackmagic has updated its Blackmagic camera app for iOS, ABE 2024 is announced, Maxon's latest online webinar, DJI fast charging power solutions, and a lot more. Blackmagic Design has released Blackmagic Camera for iOS 2.0, which adds support for remotely controlling and monitoring multiple iPhones at the same time. This means a user's iPhone can be set up as a controller, so phones running a Blackmagic camera can be securely connected using a wired or Wi-Fi network. Blackmagic Camera for iOS 2 is available now and it's a free download from the Apple Store. The Australian Broadcast Exhibition and Conference, which the organisers claim to be the largest industry trade show for media professionals in Australia and New Zealand, is set to take place in October this year. They say it will showcase the latest and most innovative technology solutions in media production and delivery. The show is running from October the 22nd to October the 24th at Randwick Racecourse in Sydney. More information from the website below. Maxon tells me their latest webinars are on a subject I initially cut my teeth on. They concentrate on architectural visualization and rendering interior and exteriors, but as they run in US-friendly time slots, most would not stay up for the live version. However, you can see the YouTube replays at the following web address. DJI has moved into the fast charging power business. The Power 1000 is said to offer super fast charging for selected DJI drones including the Mavic 3 series, Air 3 and Inspire 3. Charging times vary between 28 minutes to 32 minutes depending on the model. Of course, it can also be used for other devices, but at nearly $1,400 it's not cheap. More information at the DJI store. Dedicated users of DaVinci Resolve, After Effects, Premiere Pro and Final Cut might be familiar with the plugins from Digital Anarchy. Well, the company has decided to follow the rest of the industry. Sort of. It has now made primary access to its tools via subscription, although perpetual licenses are still available. The company believes customers prefer the subscription model, and this will also make them more accessible to potential new customers. Good luck with that. It may surprise regular readers and viewers why I have never reviewed any gear from ATOMOS. After all, let's face it, they do have a bit of a presence in the remote monitor biz. Some think I don't like the company, and this is why, but no, the answer is far more simple. For reasons unknown to me, they absolutely refuse to deal with us, and I've had this attitude since day one in 2007 when I started Australian Video Camera. I've made repeated requests over the years and been constantly rebuffed. Anyway, they have a new model out called the Shinobi 2. Another company over the years I have tried to get info and review equipment from is Insta360, with basically the same responses from ATOMOS. In other words, nothing. That's a shame, as the company does have worthy competitors to the GoPro and the GoPro Max. But I'll keep trying. Finally, if you're into astrophotography, there is a brilliant little app you should get. I've been using it for a while and it's called Photo Pills. Today, the company posted a video on shooting the upcoming Perseids meteor shower, and you can see it at this web address. And I have a review of Photo Pills, which does a lot more than just astro stuff, here. And that's Creative Content CCTV News for this week. To be notified of new broadcasts, simply subscribe to this channel. Don't forget my online tutorials too. They are all free and available titles can be seen at this web address. Once again, I'm David from Creative Content. If you have any news or press releases you'd like shared, please contact me at the email address below or go to the Creative Content website. Thanks again for watching. Oh, one more thing. If you use a GoPro or other action type camera, I think you'll like my free 60-page e-magazine. You can download it from my website at www.creativecontent.au and select the option in the menu bar.